Hello. Welcome to SimFlow, the graphical user interface for OpenFOAM. In this video, we will explain how to create a simple geometry in a classical 2D case, the von Karman vortex sheet.
When you start SimFlow, the launcher menu is opened. Choose the option New, set the case name to von Karman and click on the button Create Case.
After having clicked the Create Case button, the main window of SimFlow opens. On the top line, you can see the classical scrolling menu containing File, Case, and Help.
The left menu bar contains the main categories for the tuning of SimFlow. It is decomposed into 3 categories: Geometry, Mesh, and Setup.
The last part is dedicated to the tuning of global parameters for SimFlow. The last button enables to see a summary of the current computation.
In the second part, on the right side of the menu bar, you can set all the options linked with the chosen data to edit in the left menu bar. Finally, on the right side, a large window is dedicated to the graphic visualization of your simulation.
The File menu contains the classical New, Open, Save, and Save As. You can also set your preferences, import a mesh, save and load parameter files, and quit the program.
In the Preferences menu, you can set all the main parameters for SimFlow. For example, in the submenu, Models, Turbulence, you can disable the turbulence modeling at the beginning of the computation and set after how many iterations the turbulence model starts. You can also push the button, Restore Defaults, to disable all the changes you made in your preferences.
The Case menu is dedicated to importing or exporting complete cases. The last button of the top menu bar is Help. It gives you an access to the online help and to the support center.
Now, let's focus on the geometry. In the second menu, you can add new geometries. The first button, on the left side, enables to import a CAD file. The supported formats are STL, STEP, BREP, IGES, and the standard OpenFOAM format OBJ. You can also import an ASCII data file containing the informations to generate an airfoil, the extension being .dat in this case.
SimFlow also enables you to create simple geometries and merge them. These simple geometries are a box, a cylinder, and a sphere. For our von Karman vortex sheet, we will create a cylinder.
Click on the button Cylinder. A submenu will appear on the right side of the vertical menu bar. In the menu, you can change the name of the cylinder, this one being by default, cylinder_1. You can then set the origin, the direction of the cylinder axis, its length, and finally its radius.
On the right side, you can visualize the cylinder you have created. There are 2 menu bars in this window. On the bottom side, the left button enables to change the action of the mouse. With your mouse, you can rotate, translate, or zoom your view. You can also select some parts of the geometry to generate different zones. This option is very useful if you want to set boundary conditions on the different surfaces of your geometry.
The second menu bar is on the right side. The first button, which is a loop, enables to optimize the position and the zoom of the created object. The 3 next buttons enable to view the geometry in the plans X, Y, XZ, and YZ.